Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by enabling the phone's mobile hotspot and noting the SSID and password. This is essential. Next, on the PC, make sure the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in Device Manager so the machine can see networks. If you prefer USB or Bluetooth, connect the cable or pair the devices now. Once done, select the hotspot SSID from the PC Wi-Fi list and attempt to join using the password. This quick start gets you into the troubleshooting flow. If the hotspot still doesn't appear, update the PC's Wi-Fi driver and reboot to clear stale state. Then run the network troubleshooter or reset TCP/IP using netint IP reset and ipconfig/renew so addresses refresh. This fixes common binding issues. Make sure Windows Mobile Hotspot service is running and that firewall or antivirus isn't blocking new networks. Temporarily allow network sharing to test. Also verify the phone's hotspot band and visibility settings so the PC can detect the SSID. To finish, try USB tethering if Wi-Fi is unreliable. That often bypasses adapter discovery problems. Disable and re-enable the PC's network adapters and reboot both phone and PC to clear caches and re-advertise the hotspot. If the SSID remains hidden, switch the phone's hotspot band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz and try again because some adapters don't support 5 GHz. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, create a hotspot with a different device to confirm whether the phone or PC is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.